What's up, everybody, and welcome. See the big smile? It is day 5. Cheers to all of you for joining me once again. See what's going on. It's the morning of 5:06 a.m. Very early. Just doing a quick check-in. Weighed myself this morning and I'm at 145.7. So quite a bit of a drop since yesterday. I'm thinking because of all the activity. It was quite a bit. Probably the most I've had. So from what I've read, more muscle gets eaten up. Also, let's see, sleep was good. Finally had a good night's rest. No, son wasn't waking up quite a bit, despite the fact that he was teething. I did have to get up once or twice to go to the bathroom. Didn't dig that too much, but what can you do? Drinking that much water, not really a way to get around that. Also, a little bit of TMI. Or maybe not. I tested, or before I started this whole thing, I was doing a ketogenic diet. So I bought a little thing of those keto test strips to see if you're actually in ketosis. And just out of curiosity, because I read some things, not thinking that your body would be in ketosis during this process, but it is. And I did one of those test strips today, and I definitely am way into ketosis on those. So that's pretty cool. Couldn't really get too far into it with just the diet. Very hard to do. Anyway, so mentally I'm feeling really good right now. Gonna be doing a little bit of stuff this morning to keep myself busy before we have to start packing up for camping. Physically, my energy level is like at a 7.5, about the same as yesterday around this time. Not feeling any pains, just that tightness in my stomach still. As far as my activity today, going to be very active today. A lot of packing to do, a lot of packing up. Let's see, hunger. Not really feeling too hungry at the moment. That's been pretty consistent for me over the course of the fasting. Haven't had too much hunger building up, which is nice. I have cravings, but not really hungry like I felt in the past when doing like intermittent fasting. So kind of weird, but I like it. Makes it a lot easier. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have. I'll check in again way later on tonight, maybe 7 o'clock, maybe a little bit before, maybe a little bit after. Celebrate with some watermelon and give you guys a recap from all the day's events. And that's it. So hope you have a great day, and I will see you later.